welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create this Mexican Day of Death inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. So I have already done my eye and my brow and my foundation. So next we will be doing the smoky eye. I'm going to use the following. A nice warm brown that I'm going to apply on my eyelid. I'm applying it on my eyelid, blending it upwards towards my brow. So now I have applied the warm brown over my whole eye and under my eye, and it's time to make it smoky. And by that I'm going to add black. Just on my eyelid, blending it out towards the brow. So my smoky eye is almost done. I still need to apply my highlighter, blend it out nicely, make sure it's clean under the eye. Okay, so we are halfway with this eye, but I'm going to jump over to this eye and I'm going to apply a nice pigmented bronzy color on top of my eyelid, or while this little space that I left open. And the pigment I'm going to apply is number 39 of the Inglot pigments. So I'm going in with my black again, just to close or just to make it blend together the two colors. So there you have it, a bronzy eye. Wow, this eye really needs some blending, some more. Okay, so I'm going to apply my highlighter now. And this time for my highlighter, I'll be using Inglot Soft Sparkle, a face, eyes and body highlighter. And I'm going to apply it just under my brow and in the inner corner of my eye. Now my smoky eye is done, but I need to do some cleanup work. So I'm just going to clean up under my eye and then I'll be back. It is time for some contouring. So today's contouring will be more extreme than your daily look. It's going to be hectic. Let's get it done. So obviously I'm going to use my NYX palette, but I'm not going to use my normal shade. I'm going to use a mixture between this one and that one to create extra depth. And also, the lines for this contouring is going to be more harsh than your normal one. So it will be a straight line like this. And then some highlighter. I actually forgot. I'm going to contour my forehead as well. Contouring is done. And now it's time for some painting. So I'm going to paint my nose and I'm going to paint in some stitches and, well, you will see. Using my black Dala painting or face paint. Woo, this is so ticklish. I accidentally messed up my stitches, so I had to do my lips over. Well, time for the nose.
This look
will not be complete without some glitter. And then also some falsies. So I'm going to do my glitter, and I'm basically just going to add a few dots of glitter on this black eye, and then I'll be back with my completed look. And there you have it, my Mexican Day of Death inspirational makeup look. So this was a very simple look. I would like to do it a bit more glittery and more skull effect, but that will be one day. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and also follow me on Instagram or Facebook to see some more of my work, and stay tuned every Monday for a new Mia makeup tutorial. Bye!